Alright guys, so in this video I want to talk about something that too many people don't do when they find their first product on Amazon. It's something I want all you guys to do, so I don't want you guys to miss out on this. So before we get into it, if you just quickly give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification, then we can get straight into it so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. So for most people, this process is pretty simple. They find a product, they find a supplier, they ship it, it gets to Amazon, perfect, everything's going very, very well. But what if that isn't the best product for them? What if the next day, the next 2 days, and the next 3 days, they carried on their product research, they could have found an even better product, an even better opportunity. And this is what I want to talk to you about today, or something you don't want to do is do your product research for a week or 2 weeks or even a month. And as soon as you find one good product or even a potential product, just because you've been searching for maybe what you think is a long time and you found just one product, you go for that product all in, you contact the supplier, you purchase it, you do all of that stuff as quickly as possible to get that product in, because for some reason you think the opportunity is going to disappear in a couple of seconds. Don't do that. Don't be the person who rushes it. Okay, don't stop at just one product. You want to keep going. As soon as you found that one product and you contact the supplier, that's perfect. You can find a product and you can continue with that path for as long as it takes you for that product. But what I see too many people do is they find one product, they contact a supplier, they're getting samples from them, and they do that for about a month, maybe a month and a half, getting samples and negotiating and doing all this stuff, and they get to the end of that and realize that actually there's not much in this product for me, it's not really that good. Looking at the numbers again, looking at all like really in depth over this long period of time, I realize it isn't the opportunity I first thought it was. So now they've wasted maybe 2 months time doing all of these like negotiations and contacting them and getting samples and just all this wasted time when they could have still been doing their product research. So what I want to basically stress here, guys, is don't stop when you find one product, okay? As soon as you found your product, of course, like I said, go to your supplier, do all of that stuff, but continue doing your product research, continue searching for more products, okay? You want to have multiple products on the go. You want to find a product, contact a supplier, perfect, go again, find a product, contact a supplier. Even if the product's maybe mediocre, just keep going, follow the path and see where it takes you, because you never know what that could turn into, what kind of deal you could get with your supplier if you just follow up on all these avenues. So I talked about in one of my last videos about asking your supplier for different bundle options. So maybe if you find a product you thought was just okay, you talk to your supplier, you ask them that question, and you find actually there's an amazing bundle to be had here, the margins aren't too bad, I could actually go for this product. So just continuously keep your pipes full, keep having products come through the system. Even if you've already got one and you're 100% sure you're going to go for it, just keep searching because you might find a better product. You never know. So that's basically what I wanted to talk to you about in this video, guys. Kind of a short one, but something that very, very few people actually do. So if you have enjoyed this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below because I really, really appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel and definitely hit the bell notification if you enjoyed the video, basically. And I hope you will implement what I've talked about today. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video.